Hello guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you solve the problem we don't recognize your device. So previously I upload a video on this topic, but there have a new update, so I am going to show you that today. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video. So for doing that you have to open any of your browser. You can open Google Chrome or Google or Opera Mini. I am simply opening my Google Chrome. Facebook, you have to search here Facebook. You can see here Facebook. After that you have to click here your first link. You can see here first link, and here you will can see several options. You have to click here find your account. After clicking here you will can see here option enter your phone number, but I have no phone number, or hacker, probably hacker your phone number have been changed or something else. For this reason you have no email also. So here no problem. Here you can see here option your full name. So you have to search. I am going to search here with my full name. So after searching with my full name you can see here first option, first ID is mine. So you have to click here your first ID, but if you don't get here in first option your ID, you can see here first option. If you don't get your ID you have to scroll down, and then if you don't get below here you have to click here not I am this list. Then after you have to, you can see here, and here you have to give your friend full name, and you have to click here search box, and then you will get the ID, your ID. But I am not going to do that because I got here my ID. You can see here I got here my ID. So I am simply clicking on my ID. After that you can see here they want to send a code in email, but the email ID not have with me, so I have to click here another way. After clicking here another way they will show you send code via email, send code via SMS. So as I say, there have no access with me those account, and also I have no, I don't remember my password, or I forget my password. So here you will can see how option no longer have access to this. So you have to click here. After clicking they are showing here a option I have lost access to my login details, but previous video show you here you got a option we don't recognize your device, but in this video you don't get the option because I am doing this with my old phone, which phone access or which phone I log previously my this email or this ID or this Facebook ID. For this reason I got this kind of option. If you don't get this kind of option, then watch my previous video where I show you how can you find if you got the problem you don't recognize your, we don't recognize your problem. So this is update, so you have to click here start. Then here they are showing you upload your ID. So here if you click here upload your ID, here you will can see option full name. You have to provided your full name here. You can see here I am providing my full name. And here you have to give your national ID card. You can give here your national ID card or your passport or driving license, any one what you want to give here. So they can ask you for giving a newly email address previously. So here you have to give a newly open email address, but here in my phone they not showing this option. So if they're showing to you give a new email address, you have to give, and then you have to click here send. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. And that's why if you do that way, I am sure you will get back your email and your Facebook account. Thank you.